topic is enumeration types, and enumeration is a set of predefined named values called as members. Enumerations are useful when we want to deal with a limited set of values for a variable. They are also known as enumerations or enums. They use it to define named constant values. The enum keyword is used to define an enumeration type in dot programming language. Let us understand it practically. The syntax for enumeration is begin with enum keyword, then name of the enumeration. Let's say days of week, and then two curly braces. Inside it we write values for this variable days of week. You can see here I have written values of this variable days of week. The variables are nothing but just the names of the days. Remember that when you write different values for a variable enum, you must add comma at everyone, but at the last one you don't have to add a comma here. So the enum has been defined. Now we can perform operations on it. For that I will write main method and then print, then days of week dot values. This will print its values. You can see I got the result here. We can also use for each loop to iterate through this variable and then print values of these values of this variable. You always use enum using for each loop. Let's say I want is days of week dot values dot for each loop, and then inside this element you can write any variable. Let's say v, and inside it here you can write print statement, print, and then let's say value $v comma index $v dot index, but put this index v dot index in curly braces here, terminator, and another terminator here. Let me comment out this first print statement. You can see this has printed this using for each loop the values of variable days of week in, you can see here values and then its index. This is how we use enumeration, that is a variable that has redefined values.